Just because we are patient. We are not people like other states. We have patience and we have our own morality.
We don't know that information. No, you all have the information, but that part one we dropped.
I'm telling you.
Notice how RVNL is destroying our forest cover in the village. You can see it how our forest encroachment into private properties by RVNL with police force. Goa police force is being used. RVNL, you can see the personnel here. You can see the personnel. This personnel, FIR must be filed against this personnel. FIR must be filed against this personnel. What you can see here behind me is gross violation of every law in the land. May it be for the land acquisition process, which has not even been initiated in this area. May it be encroachment of private properties. May it be mercilessly hacking of age-old trees by the machinery that has been deployed by RVNL here. We in Velsao, Pali and these areas, we wonder what is this government up to? What is this railways up to? Are they going to subjugate us as second and third class citizens? Are we not Indians? Why is such a tragedy being befallen upon us? These questions only and only the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Samod Sawan, can answer. We are here in the most peaceful village of Velsao, and as can be seen, RVNL is here encroaching on private properties which are age-old, kept by our ancestors. Today they are making encroachment, dumping their material, construction material. Their construction machinery is sort of invading our areas. They are invading our areas, yes, you can see, with a big police force. I mean, what is this? Is this the way that we have to bow down to the pressures of the RVNL? Is this the way that we are subject to, the civilians? Why are we, the peaceful citizens of Velsao, subjected to such treatment? What wrong have we done? And this is, by the way, this is private property. The landlords are here agitating. No land acquisition has been done in this area. So what is this? Are being denuded in the name of development right here in Velsao as we speak. Forests that have been tended by the villagers, grown by the villagers along the tracks, and these trees were planted by the villagers so that the noise could be reduced, since they cannot bear the houses, the trains passing day in and day out through these areas. And these very trees are being hacked mercilessly by RVNL machinery.